nakuha po nating report kay yung doktor ng Philippine National Police na kasama ho ni Atty. Lopez na nagdala sa kanya sa veterans. Ang condition po is doon sa veterans, ang resulta po is normal lang lahat ng vital signs, even her ECG. Kaya nga po nagtataka kami kung bakit kinakailangan pa na ilipat at ipa-check pa sa St. Luke's. Perhaps second opinion or just for added peace of mind. But ang last na report po sa atin ng ating PNP doctor is normal ang condition. She's in pretty good shape.
Sir, but kasi, so if normal po yung condition, ano po talaga yung mga
Well, I cannot confirm. I'm not a doctor, but from the reports that we got also, not specifically from the PNP doctor, parang panic attack ang
Yeah.
observation.